Hello YouTube world. As you can see from the title of this video, I will be doing eyebrow tinting. Disclaimer, this is not a tutorial. I've never done this before. Just something I just wanted to try. So yeah, let's get into it. So the kit that I got it off of Amazon. It is called the Godfrey Professional Hair Color Tint Kit, and I got it in medium brown. It says it comes with 20 applications and it can last up to 6 weeks. So we're going to be testing that out because I don't know about the 6 weeks thing, but I don't know. We'll see. This is what it looks like. I'll place pictures because I'm not fooling with this camera like no. Okay. So in the kit, it comes with 20 capsules, the developer, a little bowl, and a little brush applicator so you can do it. This might get messy, Lord. And it definitely comes with instructions, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not about to read this. Or maybe I should. Let me skim through it. Okay. It says, empty entire contents of one capsule into small plastic mixing bowl or glass damper dish. Do not use a metal bowl. Mix with equal parts cream developer, 1/4 teaspoon. I need a teaspoon. Well, no, I need 1/4. Before you begin the tinting process, it is important to remove any oils from the area to be treated. This will allow for better color processing. I just moisturize my face. It says processing times may vary. Medium brown, 1 to 2 minutes. That's it. 1 to 2 minutes. All right, let me go get all the stuff that I need and I will be back. Okay, so I cleaned the oil off my eyebrows and also grabbed some wipes, and I changed my shirt into a black shirt because I don't got time. I feel like this is gonna get messy. So should have probably got a paper towel I put on my desk, but so I'm actually gonna grab some concealer. A lot of people were using on YouTube were using Vaseline, but I think I'm gonna do concealer so that way I can like outline. Well, they use concealer or Vaseline. I'm gonna try my hand at concealer and we'll see how that works. So let me get that. So for the 1/4 teaspoon thing, I'm actually just gonna eyeball that because I don't feel comfortable. I don't really feel comfortable using a utensil from my kitchen, and also I don't even know if I have one. But anyway, this is what the little pill looks like. Don't eat it. You're just gonna break it and put it into a bowl. I can't hold it up, so I'm gonna have to do it down here. I'm sorry. So it just looks like powder. Well, that was dumb because it is powder. The developer. Lord, wait, I probably should have did my eyebrows first. Let me do the concealer first. Alright, so I'm just gonna take some concealer. I'm actually gonna put this on the back of my hand. I don't got time to be messing up. Okay. Whew. I mean, it can't come out that bad, right? All right, now I can do the developer. This is how it looks so far. Just trying to mix it. I mean, it's just your eyebrows, so you really, I guess this is right. Man, this little thing, this is just all over the place. Okay, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from the tail because that is that's only the darkest part of my eyebrow when I draw them out anyway. Eek, up here, baby. My advice is don't talk when you do this because I'm scared. I'm kind of nervous. I just hope it doesn't get too dark because when I draw my eyebrows, since my eyebrows are so sparse, I don't I don't draw them on dark. I use a lighter brown, so. Oh, Jesus. I mean, if I mess up, I mess up, you know. I'm not really that nervous. Only thing I really want to focus on is that inner corner because ain't no caterpillar eyebrows around here, baby. No. I've seen a lot of tutorials of girls using the Just for Men or whatever it's called. It's basically Beijing. Now Beijing, that color sticks to your skin. So yeah, I don't know if this will stick to my hold up. Yeah, I don't know if this will stick to my skin. I'm kind of hoping it will though. Now it says it's supposed to stay up for 2 minutes and I don't trust that. And I'm tempted to do it longer. I'm tempted to do it longer. So I guess I can go ahead and wipe it off. If it doesn't stick like I want it to, I'm gonna do another coat. So I'm just gonna take this baby wipe and hold up. Yeah, just hold it on there a little bit to get it a little moist because it's a little dry. It's a little dry. All right. Okay. No, I like it. I mean, hello. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Should I make it darker? No. So you can kind of see where I messed up this eyebrow a little bit. But it is up. Hold on. I look cray cray. No, y'all. I mean, it's alright. I mean, of course, when I do my makeup, I like conceal it and stuff. Okay. Alright. Conceal these bad boys. Okay, y'all. Like, this is nice. This, hold up. Stop. Y'all. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. So yeah, the next test, I guess, well, will be how long this lasts, because I got eyebrows. So I was actually considering doing microblading, getting that done. But in doing my research of eyebrow tinting, I came across a video and a lady was talking about how eyebrows are always changing. And that's very true. And she referenced like somebody who probably got their eyebrows tattooed early 2000s when, you know, thin eyebrows were in, whereas now they're not. So if they got a tattoo done, man, I kind of messed up there. If they got a tattoo done within that era, like they're probably looking a little crazy right now, y'all. OMG. Stop playing. I'm about to call my best friends. Hold up. So So I think next time what I'll do is I'll make the tail longer. And I mean, it's fine because when I do my makeup, like I can always extend that. Oh, but this is better than, come on, this is better than what I had. Girl, look at my eyebrows.
No, that's not what y'all do.
Yes, that's what I called you. Look at them.
You said it out.
Yes, I got eyebrows.
I'm sorry, the turban.
Oh, girl. I got the wig. I don't got my wig on.
It's not bad at all. It looks good. It looks like you filled the bed.
Right. Now I can just wake up and go. I got eyebrows. Listen, you don't understand because you got eyebrows. Like, I don't have eyebrows.
I'm sorry. I get it. It's just yours.
Man, I almost want to put on like a full face of makeup because this eyebrow making me mad, but yeah. So I think maybe the color will last on the hair for 6 weeks, but the color is on my skin as well, and that's clearly gonna fade fast. So okay. Thank you guys again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this will encourage you guys out there to give it a try too. It's really not that hard. If you know how to fill in your eyebrows, you pretty much can do this. So I will put all the specs and links below, and feel free to try it out and let me know in the comments how you like it. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I guess, you know, everybody else is saying it, so how about you go ahead and turn on that notification bell so you can know when I post again, because hopefully, I pray to God that I will have another video for you very, very, very soon. Love you guys. Bye.